Have you guys been eyeing the new Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Foundation and also the Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Concealer? Well, on today's video, I have them both. And we are doing a wear test. I also pick up two of the Giorgio Armani Lip Maestros in the shade 101 and the shade 200. We're going to be swatching these in the video. So, you know, I can't wait to get started. So, I'm going to show you guys how I apply it, how it looks on my skin. And then, you know, we're going to do hopefully an all-day wear test while I check back in with you guys. So, yeah, let's get into Giorgio Armani Foundation Wear Test Luminous Silk Edition. So I am using the Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Multi-Purpose Glow Concealer in the shades 6.5. I definitely want a lighter shade so I can highlight under my under eyes and stuff. But right now I am just carving my eyebrows out with it, and then I'm going to also set my lid, prime my lid with it, and that's it. So we are going to be going into the Natasha Denona Sunrise palette. This palette has beautiful shades. It's one of my favorite palettes. And we're going to go into the shade Morgan. And we're going to use just Morgan all over the eye. We're just going to pack it on and blend it out. And I think we're going to take the shade Azalea and go into the inner corners. I wanted this video to focus more on the foundation and not the eyeshadow look. So just something simple, cute, and springy. We are now going into the Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Perfect Glow Flawless Foundation. This is supposed to be a medium to buildable coverage foundation. It's supposed to be luminous and glow and just make like your skin but better. So I'm going to apply it to half of my face so you guys can kind of see the coverage between, you know, the half with the foundation and the half without the foundation. Now we are going into the Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Concealer in the shade 6.5, and I'm just going to conceal under my eyes and just like the usual normal place where I conceal and set that with some powder.
잠을 잊은 채 사람 지구라는 섬 위에 살아가는 건 끝없는 paradise 모두가.
So guys, I am back and we're gonna go over my thoughts for the foundation and the concealer and the lippy. This will be a wear test, so you guys will see me out and about in my car. I've had some errands to run with my youngest son. He's about to start school, so I got to go to the school, get him signed up for kindergarten, and I think I'm gonna go to the nail salon, maybe do a couple of more errands. So hopefully we get a full day of wear out of this, and I will check in. The time is now, it's 10:33 a.m. in the morning, so you guys know what time we're starting, like what time I really finished, completed everything. So we are going over the Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Perfect Glow Foundation. Now at first I thought this foundation was full coverage. Well, you know guys, now I started with the concealer on my eyes. I was like, this don't look like a full coverage. So it's not a full coverage. It is a medium buildable natural finish. It's supposed to have a luminous glow. I absolutely think that it applied beautiful. The concealer, the same thing. They were both buildable coverage. I do think like the concealer was more light coverage, and then the foundation was more medium to buildable, but I can still see my skin through the foundation. The foundation looks amazing on my skin, but I can still see like a little imperfection here, which is fine because I didn't want a total glam day, because I'm just going to run some errands. I'm going to my son's school, so I don't want to go in there looking like I'm about to go party which I am not. So they both apply very smooth. I like the way that they looked on my foundation. I like on my face the way they applied. I like the glow. You guys can see the glowiness in the foundation and the concealer as I applied it. And then I also got two of their lippies. The shade I chose was 101. It's the Intense Velvet Lip Color. They are the Lip Maestros. So they're the Giorgio Armani Lip Maestros. And I got that one. And then I also got the Intense Velvet Color. The shade 200 and the shade 101. Both of these was free included into my package. You guys, if you guys doesn't follow Beauty Deals BFF on Instagram, make sure you look her up and follow her. She be posting all the good deals, all the good sales, because I think I got all this stuff for like, it was a very low price, maybe like $69. I got a foundation, a concealer, and two lippies. And yeah, so I'm excited about that. But anyways, let me check out. Let me go on about my business. I think I'm gonna just get my little stuff together for my son, and you know, take out something to cook for later, because we don't have to be to school till about 12:15, so it's about 10. So I got about 2 hours before I go anywhere. Hopefully I could check in with you guys before I go. But anyways, I'm gonna see y'all later. Okay guys, it is 11:53 and we just made it to the school. Somebody's not so excited, but I could just see like a little just oil just around my nose, which is typical what most of my foundations do. I get oil right here around the nose. So it's only been an hour, and so usually I don't get no oily no more than like right here with my normal favorite foundations. And so 11:53 has been a little over an hour, and I'll check back in with you guys probably like on my way to the nail salon, and I'm gonna holler at you guys later. Bye. All right guys, so I haven't been to the nail salon. I just was gonna bring the baby home and drop him off and then go to the nail salon. My mom and my husband's here, but then when I got here I just decided to go ahead and start cooking dinner. So now it is 1:07. You guys can see that there are no particular oil up in my face. Looks like it's a little shiny here, which yeah, so I would probably like use some blotting paper and blot my nose and blot around here, but the rest of the face is still holding up, so I don't feel like going upstairs getting no blotting paper, but I will blot that a little bit later, but you can see that typically I only get shiny here, but here I'm just getting a little oily on my nose. But I will check back in with you guys later. So if you wonder what I'm cooking some squash and I think some pork chops in the oven today. But not filming cooking today, but I'm gonna check in with you guys a little bit later. So I am in the beauty room. I never made it to the nail salon. I finished cooking. I ate dinner. It's about 2:40 p.m. here, so it's been about almost 4.5 hours. So I'm gonna use the Fenty blotting paper to blot with, so you guys can kind of see me blot and the blotting process. So as I said earlier, normally the only places I get oily at is here around my nose. I don't do a whole T-zone. But this is normally used if I'm using like a hydrating foundation or something. My nose will get a little oily. But usually like right here, I haven't made a foundation yet. Maybe I just need that does not, or a powder that does not let oil come through right here on me. But usually, sometimes with some foundations, the top of my nose doesn't get oily. So we're just going to blot that oil away. And there, no more shine. I did reapply my lippy because of course I ate it off. Now if I want, we could reapply some powder, but I don't want to reapply powder, you know. I think I'm good. Looks like I got a little shine here. Yeah, a little bit more shine here. So let's just blot that away. And I will check in with you guys a little later. I'm just gonna sit here, edit a few more videos for you guys, and you know, I'll holler at you guys in a little bit. It is now 6:37 p.m. So I think that gives us a full 8 hours if we go from 10:30, but really I put it on a little bit before 10:30. So that gives us, you know, full 8 hours of wear with the Giorgio Armani foundation and concealer. So let's just go in and just let you guys know that I only blotted once, and that's that one time I blotted on camera. And we're going to blot again here now and just see, you know, what it is. Let's just see how this foundation held up for 8 hours. Okay, so I'm here looking at this camera and looking at my mirror. I can see, of course, from where I blotted earlier, the oils have come back here, come back here, come back here. And I didn't wear any highlighters today, so if you see anything shiny all up and through here, I didn't wear any highlighter today because, as you know, I was going to the school for my son, so I didn't want to be too glam. So just the eyeshadow and the makeup and no highlighter. And I see a little oil shine is, you know, the shininess is oil coming in through here. So I can see it here, 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 and here, you know, which is okay because you're looking at, for 8 hours, all of this flawless. All of this flawless, you know, just a little oil just around here, and I don't think it's a lot. So let's dab it, let's blot it and see what happens. You see this oil? Okay, so it looks like, I don't know if it's from me blotting or what, but it looks like the foundation has, I could just like see my nose. Like if you could see, like there's foundation here, but it looks like right up in here, like there's no foundation on my nose, or very little. Like from here to here is like my skin. So I got some dry patches too. I don't know if this probably came from food, because I ate, but I didn't have food all the way over here. So I mean, it does look, y'all can't see it on camera, but it does look a little dry and like a patchy, like it's peeling a little bit around here and up through around here, you know. But that definitely could be my skin, because, you know, I'm having a little breakout with my skin right now. You know, so I don't like that. I don't like the little dry pieces on my skin. But I feel like the foundation did okay. You know, it wasn't the best of foundation. When I first put the foundation on, the first couple of hours, the first few hours, I say if you give it about 5 hours to wear, this is a great foundation. If you push it on into like 8-10 hour day, I would suggest that you don't use just a blotting powder, and maybe take your setting powder with you and some spray, so you can just refresh your face, so it's just not all just, you know, just looking all dry. But you guys, let me know in the comments how you think that this foundation held up. I think it did okay. You guys, let me know in the comments how you feel like the foundation held up to you, what you see on my face, and, you know, would you purchase it based off of this wear test. But I enjoyed the foundation. It was a glowy foundation. I definitely feel like I would get a lot of use out of it, but, you know, we'll see. Y'all let me know in the comments how you like it, and I'm gonna see you guys later. Make sure you are following me on my Instagram, because on my Instagram you're gonna get more of a day-to-day situation with me, like just more of just day-to-day stuff that's going on in my normal life. You're gonna see things that I'm filming before I film them. You're gonna see things that's upcoming. You're gonna see more of what's going on day to day. You're gonna see me hauling stuff, and you may see me post stuff on my Instagram before it makes it to my channel. You're definitely gonna see stuff that doesn't even make it to the channel on my Instagram. But yeah, I'm gonna holler at you guys later. Bye.